One of the things that I learned is how to automate writing softwares. I am a non-technical founder, and I learned today about a very structured process where I can give instruction to AI agents and they do the work and produce a software for me.
The common question really was like, how do I find something to automate? What should I automate? And my answer would have been, with all of them, look at what takes most time out of your day, especially things that you're doing every day, every week, or every month.
As a migrant founder myself, it's really lovely to see an uplifting and empowering community where people have chosen to solve not just normal problems that people experience, but really problems that delve into greater social impact and generating positive outcomes for future generations and their communities. And it's so lovely and heartwarming to see that.